The correlation coefficient indicator is a statistical tool used to measure the strength and direction of the relationship between two data sets. In trading, it is commonly applied to compare the price movements of two financial instruments, helping traders understand whether they are moving in sync or diverging. The indicator outputs values between -1 and +1, where +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation, -1 represents a perfect negative correlation, and 0 suggests no correlation. To incorporate the indicator to your TradingView chart, simply go to the Indicators menu and search for it. This indicator is particularly useful for analyzing relationships between assets, such as currency pairs, stocks, or commodities. A positive correlation, where the value is closer to +1, suggests that the two assets tend to move in the same direction. For example, two companies in the same industry might show a high positive correlation due to shared market drivers. On the other hand, a negative correlation with values closer to -1 indicates that the assets typically move in opposite directions. An example of this might be the inverse relationship between gold and the euro during certain market conditions. The correlation coefficient is displayed as a line that fluctuates between -1 and +1, providing a visual representation of the relationship over time. By observing how the correlation value changes, traders can identify shifts in market dynamics. For instance, a weakening correlation might signal that two previously aligned assets are starting to diverge, which could present new trading opportunities or risks. One of the primary applications of the correlation coefficient indicator is in risk management and portfolio diversification. Traders and investors use it to assess the relationships between assets in their portfolios. A portfolio with highly correlated assets may be more vulnerable to market swings, as all assets might move in the same direction during periods of volatility. By identifying assets with low or negative correlations, traders can build portfolios that are better balanced and less prone to collective losses. This indicator is also valuable for confirming or questioning the validity of trading strategies. For example, in pairs trading, where a trader takes opposing positions in two highly correlated assets, the correlation coefficient can help ensure that the assets maintain their relationship over time. If the correlation begins to break down, it may signal the need to adjust or exit the strategy. Despite its usefulness, the correlation coefficient indicator has limitations. It measures historical relationships and does not predict future correlations. Markets are dynamic, and relationships between assets can change due to factors such as economic events, policy shifts, or changes in market sentiment. Furthermore, the indicator does not provide buy or sell signals, but serves as a tool for analysis and context.